Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory modules, unlatch and remove the base cover and front bezel of the system. Then, flip the front panel over to access the internal components of the system. Identify the memory modules and unlatch them. Grasp the edges to lift the modules out of the system. To reinstall the memory modules, relatch them back to the system. Flip the front panel over and latch the front bezel and base cover on the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.